stay tuned if you want to see how I created this blonde, ombre, honey, brown, black, whatever you want to call it. Just stay tuned if you want to see how I got this. Hey guys, welcome back to Shesblancoo channel. And if you are new, you know what to do. Subscribe right now. Yay! Come here. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. So when creating any ombre effect, you want it to go from light to dark or and vice versa. So in this case, we're going to go from a light blonde to a jet black color. And I'm going to list the items that I use below because I don't have it in front of me and I don't want to confuse you guys. Now, when you're using this brush to place the dye or the rinse, whatever you're going to use, you kind of want to use light strokes. You don't want it to look very harsh. So this is why you'll see that I'm going in and I'm creating those vertical strokes. Yes, because we don't want horizontal lines because then it won't give you that nice transition with the colors. You'll see it once it's dried and styled. Yes, so you want it to blend like flawlessly. Then I'm just gonna show you guys I washed it and I'm gonna style it. But yeah, this video was very quick and straight to the point. It is not hard because this is 613 color, so whatever you put on this hair, it will take automatically, like super quick. Now that it is dried, I did go ahead and blow dry it to speed the process up a little bit, but you can see that the colors is blended well all into one. And I went ahead and used my flexi rods, and I'll be showing you guys another tutorial on how I achieve these curls. I love these curls. They are like voluminous curls. And as you can see, that scalp, honey, do you see that scalp is well blended into that skin? That's because I customized it, I bleached it. I'm sorry, I take that back. I did not bleach this because it is 613 here. So I just customized it and tinted it. And boom, that's what we got. And you can go on my website, Shesblancoo.com, and take a look at the wigs there as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next vid. Deuces.